Alright guys, doing a little work to the Trailblazer today. Procharged Trailblazer. I'm actually going here in just a few minutes to get the drag radials mounted on the wheels. And, I'm going to work on a couple little things. I smell coolant leaking. I'm not sure where that's coming from, so I'm going to look at that. And got a couple little things to do. Get ready to take it to the dyno. So, here we go. We're going to get the tires mounted. This ought to be interesting. Not so bad. Everything that's been going on, I haven't had a chance to do anything yet this year. Alright. Alright. Alright guys, so now that we got the slicks mounted and everything, we're gonna go ahead and get some spark plugs changed. I've got a low input code for some reason on my brand new knock sensors, so I'm going to install some more brand new knock sensors and a couple of little things. Got some VR1 oil to put in there. Get ready for the dyno. Got my buddy Kami here.
What's up?
Y'all remember him from the last video?
Hell
yeah. He's very good on camera.
No, not really.
Yeah, you are. Yeah. But anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and start tearing into this thing. Of course, we gotta take the intake manifold off to get to the knock sensor, since this is my Gen 3 block. And well, I guess I'll just let y'all watch the footage so you can see what all we have to do to change the spark plugs, because it's a pretty labor intensive operation, but it'll go pretty quick.
Yeah, should be.
Let's just say that it's gonna have a lot more space in a few minutes. What are you gonna do, Kami? You can just say it. I don't know. I'm gonna grab a tool and just dive in somewhere, man.
For one thing, I'm gonna watch how you're gonna take this supercharger off real quick.
Spoiler alert! I'm just playing. Yeah,
but,
it's pretty amazing. It looks like it's all crazy tight in here, which it is. But it only takes like 4 bolts. I got to take this pipe out and drop the belt off, but there's only like 4 bolts in this bracket holding the supercharger on the engine. So all this stuff will come out, and it'll just make so much room to do the spark plugs right there. It's really not that bad. It looks and sounds worse than it is. Probably, I don't know, I'd say in about probably 20-25 minutes this thing's gonna look like completely different. So that's the way I set my stuff up, man. It's easy to work on. You know what I'm saying? When you gotta rip the thing half apart, every couple weeks, you don't want to have to do a whole bunch of crazy stuff.
Oh, I hear that.
Anyway, I guess we'll get started.
Let's do it.
Y'all stay tuned. Call me. You got done already, dude?
Oh man, I know. You're supposed to. You weren't kidding when you say you can take everything apart real easy.
Yeah.
Worked out great.
What I mean, I remember I said, look, I gotta go to the bathroom right quick. And next thing I know, I come back out here and I'm like, you ready to get started? You're like, what do you mean get started, bro? Look, all your old spark plugs are over there.
I know, right?
And I was like, what? And I was like, no. And Kami was like, hey, ain't nobody got time for that.
But no, not bad at all. It's very clean, very simple.
Pretty straightforward, isn't it?
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
I don't think it couldn't have taken 10 minutes to have the Procharger off.
No. Yeah, it all came very easy.
Took a few more minutes to do the intake. I was pretty happy though that we were able to just kind of, we unhooked everything on the passenger side.
That's
We were
right.
able to lay the intake manifold over
I know.
and get the stuff. So that was cool. We never even had to unhook the fuel arm.
That's right. That's pretty cool.
So that was neat. That reminds me, I got to hook the I unplugged the oh, I must have stuck it back in. I unplugged the relay earlier when I pushed the truck back.
Okay.
I thought we were gonna take that off, so I didn't want to have pressure in the line.
Oh, I hear that.
So,
Mm-hmm.
but yeah,
Yeah,
man,
all looks good.
I'm gonna go in the morning and pick up some methanol,
Okay.
and
Get ready to do this, huh?
still gotta change the oil, but I'll do that in a few minutes. I ain't nothing.
Oh.
But
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and give her a fresh oil change. You know, that way if for some reason we do spill, when Uncle Rodney comes to the house, you know, we don't have no nasty oil all over the place. There's gonna be some clean, fresh oil, you know?
I know that's right. Yeah.
Because we're gonna send it.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna send it. Like,
Well.
whatever it's gonna make is what it's gonna make. We're gonna see. If it makes it and then don't make it, then we got that one over there.
Alright.
We'll just yank this one out. Shoot, we can swap that out in about 5 hours, I think.
Alright.
Probably less than that.
That's right. So.
I mean, I could do it by myself, I think, in about that much time.
So.
This thing looks all crazy and tight, but you can pull it down pretty quick.
Oh yeah.
I can have the supercharger, the top end, and all the accessories off. I'd say 30 minutes. I bet you I could strip this whole thing down to a lawn block.
Man.
It's about 30 minutes.
Wow.
Pull the radiator out, pull this crossbar off and the grill, be ready to yank it.
Wow.
All you gotta do is go underneath, undo the drive shaft and the cross member. I pull the wiring out with the engine and transmission, so
Wow. Okay.
it comes out quick.
Okay. Man.
But we're gonna freaking send it tomorrow.
Hell yeah. I can't wait to see
What
it.
do you think? You gonna make a prediction? It's on 16 pounds, methanol, E85.
As long as you hit all the books you're supposed to.
I mean, what do you gonna guess a number?
I'm gonna say 8
To the tires?
to the tires, yeah.
Woo, that's some steam right there.
That is gonna be. Hey, we sending it. Might as well give it all it's got.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm ready.
I'm gonna guess low and hope for high.
So what do you?
I think my guess is gonna be. I think I'm gonna go 756 horsepower.
Man, that's kind of accurate.
You think so?
Yeah. That would be freaky if you come wrong with it.
All right, we'll see what it does.
Yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah. Let's do it.
Well, we're gonna wrap this one up here, and so you guys look forward to the Dyno redemption video. Because last time we went, we kind of ran out of fuel and had some issues, and not really issues. We just ran out of fuel.
Yeah.
I mean, that was all there was to it. I didn't have enough pump, and you know, so now we've got a bigger pump. We've got some better fuel injectors. We've also got, you know, the 10% overdrive pulley. Got a smaller pulley on the Procharger, so now instead of making 10 pounds, it's making right around 16 pounds. And we're gonna have methanol and E85. We didn't have none of that last time. It was just 93, and it made 509 horsepower on 10 pounds of boost on 93 pump gas. That's not too shabby, but it's not what I was looking for. So this time, we're pretty much throwing the whole catalog at this thing.
I see.
Methanol, E85.
Yep.
You know, more boost.
Yep. You're gonna be ready to go.
I just hope we can drive it back on the trailer when we're done. I guess we'll find out. But y'all stay tuned. I'll see you next time. Appreciate you stopping by, Comey.
No problem. Anytime.
Yeah. All right, man.